Hey, great job downloading the one-page brand architect cheat sheet. In just a few minutes, check your inbox. We're gonna send that straight over to you, so be on the lookout for it. But before you go, I want you to watch this video right here so I can show you exactly how entrepreneurs just like you is using the same strategy to expand their brand identity through social media, improving their confidence without struggling with imposter syndrome, or thinking that ads are too expensive and complex, or even worrying about how to even build an actual following. If you ever felt lost when trying to build your online presence, this will give you a clear path straight forward. Now, just so that we know that you're in the right place, this is the same exact strategy we use to help fire alarm technicians launch their own fire alarm business, IT professionals looking to get into the fire alarm industry, and also aspiring entrepreneurs looking to launch their first fire alarm company. And with this system, they've been able to build a strong brand authority, attract their ideal clients, and get consistent engagement across their social media platforms. This isn't just theory, this is the same strategy we implemented into our business to help grow our online presence. So let's jump straight into it. If you're like most entrepreneurs, you'll probably face one of these struggles trying to build your online presence through social media. Struggling with imposter syndrome, feeling like you're someone else, ads seem too expensive and far too complex to set up, and growing an organic following feels impossible. I hear these struggles all the time, but this is just a small problem of a bigger situation. There's a lack of a simple, clear step-by-step roadmap to help you build out your brand authority, grow your audience, and to even leverage social media so that way you can even grow your business. That's exactly why we created the Brand Architect, to give you a clear, proven roadmap to help you build a personal and business brand online through social media. So here's how it works. We create your professional social media profile. We start from the foundation first. Step 2, we show you how to share useful and engaging content. And step 3, we show you how you can run targeted ads to find your target audience. And this is just step 8 in our flagship program, the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint, a complete system that is designed to take you from an entrepreneur to a well-known brand in the fire alarm and security industry. Here's the roadmap. Stage 1, that is the foundation building. Inside of that, we have the structure selector. We show you how you can set up and form your business. Next, we have the license navigator. We show you how you can get your fire alarm license. And finally, we have the insurance strategist. We show you how you can set up and protect your business. The next stage is the growth strategies. There we have the market master. We show you how you can position your fire alarm business in the fire alarm market. Then is the vendor guide. We show you how you can get up to $100,000 in vendor credit. And lastly is the certification accelerator. We show you how you can get yourself minority certified. And the final stage is our expansion opportunities. There we have the contract navigator. We show you how you can write proposals to win your first government contract. Next is the brand architect. We show you how you can build a personal and business brand online through social media. And lastly is the funding tool. We show you how you can inject cash into your business to grow your fire alarm and security company. This is the clearest, most proven system for anyone serious about building a personal and business brand online through social media. So if you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you need to be taking right now, book a free strategy session with me today. In just 30 minutes, we'll identify what's holding you back, map out a step-by-step strategy that you can implement within 90 days, and see if you're a good fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. But this is only for serious entrepreneurs, the ones that's driven to grow and succeed, open to learning and applying proven strategies, and committed to building a personal and business brand online through social media. If that's you, click the link below, book your free strategy session, and we look forward to helping you build your personal and business brand online through social media.